welcome back. We're going to assemble these two juicers back together. I'd first like to show you how I store my juices, because I normally make this much juice at a time. So I will use mason jars and I fill them almost to the top. And this will be my juice for the day. I drink a lot of juice. You can put the juice in the refrigerator and have it for the next day. I wouldn't go any further than that. Most people say drink it as soon as you juice it. I agree with that, but I juice in bulk. So the mason jars do the trick, and they're affordable, and I just use plastic because the metal tops rust. So to put these back together, I'm going to take the body of the slow speed mixer, it seats down, and then you twist it to lock it in. And then the basket sweeper goes next. I put these two together. It's got a dot here, and it matches the dot that's on this body. So that too seats in place. And then the auger will also seat in place. It will go down. If it doesn't go down, the lid won't go on. So that takes care of the lid. And then I don't bother with the pulp catcher on the high speed until the end. This too has a position it needs to go in. It will lock into place. Then the micro blade goes on, and it has this specific shape that fits on and locks in. And the cutting blade then goes on. With this tool, you put it into the holes and you tighten it. And this also has a position right there. And then the safety lock goes on, and then your chute goes in. So that's the assembly. That's how quick it is.